I'm not sure if you can hear me past all the screaming. But we made salad bars for the turkey babies today. Hi, turkey babies. Hello, my little turkey angels. Loki, no! Stop it. Hello, turkey angels. Look how sweet they are. They're so sweet. Hi, sweetie. Hey, too, sweetie. They want me to go in there and play, but I can't right now. It's too muddy. We just had a big storm. Turkey babies. Oh. Whoops. There's a bunch of screamers over here. Oh, hold on. These guys want you to see. Hey. Hi, Dolly. Hey, Gary. Hi. You're gonna come say hi, Dolly. You're gonna come say hi, Dolly. Hi, Dolly. Hey, Gary. All right, that's all. That's all. Okay, this is for Cherokee Girl. She wanted to see the fancy cars. Oh, Charlie Sheen. Come here, Charlie. Where's Susie? See, Susie has fancy hair too. What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing?